So today I'm going to be showing you how to delegate tCore in the Satoshi BTCS app. So quickly, how do you do that? How do you delegate BTCS? Okay, so you open your wallet, okay, and you can see this wallet open, and here I have 1.3 TBCS and 1.297 SCSDT. Now what you need for delegation is this TBTCS. Okay, this is what you need. So the higher of this that you have, the more you can delegate. So quickly, what do? You come to your MetaMask. This is MetaMask. Okay, come to your MetaMask, go to browser here. Okay, click on browser, and when you click on browser, the address validator.test.btcs.network. So you hit enter and let that validation page open. Okay, you see it's loading right now. So now that it's loaded, what do we need? You need to come here. You can see there are different validators. Okay, you see Ants node, this is Jax node, this is Rock node, Spider node, this is Beetle node, this is Formation node. Okay, like that. So you just need to select one of these validators, one of these active validators basically. So let's say you come to Spider node, you click on the Spider node to open it. Okay, and when you click on Spider node to open it, it opens something like this. Okay, and then you see here you have delegate, right? So this delegate here, that's what you need. Okay, so you click on delegate, and then when you click on delegate, okay, you decide how many TBT cores. Yes, you can see this is tCore. It doesn't work for SUSDT as far as I know. So how many tCores you want to delegate? So here I in my wallet I had 1.3. So let's say I'm delegating 1.1. Okay, I just say 1.1 like this, and then I say delegate. So I am delegating that. So I'm delegating that to the Spider node, and it says I should confirm that I'm delegating 1.10002 TBTCS to this, and then you just say confirm. Okay, once you hit confirm, this will be transferred from your wallet, okay, to the validator. Okay, and once it's sent to the validator, you see good. So transaction submitted, transaction succeed. So this is confirmation, and this delegation has been successful. So take note here you can see only delegate, right? Just watch when I refresh. Let me reload this, and once I reload, you will see on delegate. Okay, good. So here you can see the on delegate option. Here you can see on delegate. And why would you on delegate? You want to receive your tCore back. You don't want to delegate it to the Spider node anymore. So you come here and click on delegate. That's if you don't want to. You don't have to do it immediately. Okay, maybe after a week or 2 weeks, you on delegate. And then it waits for confirmation, and then you click confirm. I don't want to confirm right now, so you just click on confirm here to confirm that you no longer want to delegate the coin anymore. Yeah, so that's how to delegate. Go to validator.test.btcs.network, and then yeah, I wish you all the best. If you have any questions, if you want me to do a specific video about something, please let me know. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and make sure you share with your friends to see some other of my videos. Yes, you can check this video out right here, where I explain how to get your free 120k hash.